Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple yet effective method to add hashtags to your video and overall spread your influence. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video.
Okay, so not many people know about this feature, but YouTube added it a little while back, and it works like Twitter and Instagram. Basically, these tags allow other people to find your content easier. So it can help with driving traffic to your channel. And personally, I've not used this. I just found out about this, so I'm going to be showing you guys actually how to use this in this video. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to go to one of my most recent videos right here. Exciting news for the channel. Let's click on edit. Just wait for that to load. Also, guys, I did start an Instagram and I did start a merch store. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to have links in the description right here, as you see, merch store and Instagram, as you can see my mouse. Okay, so basically this works just like any old hashtag system. The thing that's cool here is you put it in your description. And basically you don't have to put them in any order. You don't have to, it doesn't matter where you type them in your description, it's going to pop up on your video. And just a disclaimer, some don't show up, and YouTube did mention that you shouldn't abuse this, because if you start spamming a million hashtags, I think they'll, remove them all and not allow you to use this feature. So just be cautious, don't use too many. So let me just test this out real quick, and I will, let's say update hashtag Instagram, maybe hashtag update, and hashtag life made easy. Maybe one more, maybe like hashtag technology. Okay. So let's save this real quick. Save that. And let's actually go to the video.
There's no such thing as a perfect writer.
And,
this is why I use
Grammarly
to check my work.
If I'm putting commas in the wrong places, that can shift my
hate
credibility.
It's funny because it's on my own channel. Hey, what's going on, guys? I might pause that. Give me a sec and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I was just able to actually figure this out. Turns out you just have to wait a couple minutes and then they'll pop up. So as you can see, they're here. I got 3. I just found out that you have a limit of 3 hashtags per video, and they also show them down here, I believe. Yep, they also show them down here. Hashtag Instagram, life made easy, hashtag technology. Okay, so they'll show them above your title and the bottom of your description, or depending on where you put them. Yep, that's where I put them. So this is a great way for people to find your channel, as these tags and hashtags are searchable. So it's a great benefit if you guys go utilize this tool. There's no requirement, I don't think, for this. Yeah, I think it's kind of like a hidden feature that you guys can really utilize, help grow your channel. I know I'm going to start doing it. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen my merch store, let me just show you real quick. It loads up. So here's my merch store, Life Made Easy. Pretty nice, made it on Teespring. Teespring does a pretty good job. As you can see, I got stickers, I got hoodies, I got a long sleeve, and I also have a standard t-shirt. I'm probably going to add to this in the future. And you guys should also go follow me on Instagram. I'll show you my Insta right now. If you guys want to go take a look, it's right here. I've been posting some nice pictures. Currently have 20 followers, so if you guys want to go help me out, make sure to do so. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned how to use hashtags. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe and like this video.